Alright guys, welcome back. As I mentioned in one of the last videos, the wage allocation for 2026 for January 1st, the winning option was $2. So if you look here, we get $2 on the check, 25 cents to the Edison pension, 75 cents to the 9th district pension, and 40 cents to the flex. So if you either work for IBEW 48, you will get this raise on January 1st, 2026, or if you join into IBEW 48, you will also get this wage, which is now going to be $65.50, which is a raise of $4,160 for a total yearly wage of $136,240 if you work 2,080 hours for the entire year. So that is the wage now, so I can't wait to get that January 1st. I'll keep you posted on my new job starting Monday. But yeah, for a few more months I get $63.50, and then in a few months I will get $65.50. So I'm excited. So I think there was, the last thing I was going to say was, I don't know the total package at the moment. So once that posts, I'm sure that'll be like in January. Once that total package, posts, as far as I know, it's not posted yet, but when it gets posted, I'll make sure to let you guys know what the total wage package is besides the base rate of $65.50. So that's where we're at. Thanks guys for watching, and see you in the next one.